In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for job posting. If you want to create a hiring post that looks polished, professional, and attention-grabbing, Canva makes the process much easier than trying to design everything from scratch. Instead of working with plain text or struggling to line things up manually, you can use ready-made layouts and simple editing tools to build something clean and effective. To get started, open your web browser, go to canva.com, and sign in to your account. Once you're on the Canva home dashboard, look to the top right corner and click the purple Create a Design button. This is where you'll begin setting up your job post. After clicking it, a menu will appear with different design sizes and formats. Choose a size based on where you plan to share the post. A portrait Instagram post works well for social media, but you can also use a square design or another layout that fits your preferred platform. Once the blank canvas opens, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Brand. This lets you access your company logo, brand colors, and fonts, which helps your post look consistent with your business identity. Next, go to the Design tab in that same left sidebar. In the search bar, type phrases related to the kind of hiring graphic you want, such as "we are hiring" or "job vacancy poster." Press enter, then browse through the available templates. When you find one that fits your style, click it to load it onto your canvas. Starting with a template can save a lot of time and gives you a strong visual foundation right away. Now it's time to customize the text. Double-click any text box on the design to highlight it, then replace the sample wording with your own job title, role summary, requirements, and application details. At the top of the screen, you'll see Canva's text formatting toolbar. Use it to choose clear, professional fonts like Montserrat, League Spartan, or Inter. Adjust the font sizes carefully so the job title stands out, while the supporting details remain easy to read. To make the graphic feel like an official company post, add your logo and brand elements. Go back to Elements or Brand in the left panel, then drag your logo onto the canvas. Resize it using the corner handles so it stays proportional. If the template includes accent shapes or background colors, update those to match your company branding. Before downloading, do a quick alignment check. Move your text and design elements slightly and watch for Canva's smart guidelines to appear. These help you keep everything centered and evenly spaced. When you're happy with the layout, go to the top right corner, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for a sharp, high-quality image and click Download. And that's it. You now have a professional job posting graphic ready to share across social media, job boards, or your company pages. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you